Predictive analytics enhances the value of deploying BI reports, dashboards, and scorecard capabilities across the enterprise with visibility into your business's past, present, and future. The intent of this how-to video is to demonstrate the ease of integration between SPSS Modeler and Cognos Business Intelligence and the value predictive analytics brings to your operations in order to help make better decisions. In this example, I've combined historical data from my data warehouse with data exported from my predictive model created in SPSS Modeler. As a result, I can see that although my customer retention is currently hovering at 80%, there is a slow decline in renewal revenue and an increase in customer churn, or customers who are disconnecting from my service. By using this combination of historical and predicted data, it empowers the business user with actionable insight and context upon which appropriate business decisions can be made. In SPSS Modeler, I begin the process of creating my predictive model by using historical data found in my Cognos BI implementation. I can use Framework Manager packages or single list reports that I can use as data sources in my data mining sessions. And all that I need to provide to Modeler is the location of my Cognos URL along with any relevant login credentials and any query subjects, reports, views, etc. upon which to base my forecast. I can now easily create my forecast using standard modeling techniques. I can create my time intervals in order to generate the appropriate labels for my time series data and choose months, years, or even seconds if I wish. I can also specify how many time periods into the future that I'd like to forecast. This will allow me to account for any seasonality that I wish to be included in my result set. I can define a target field from which the predictive model will generate the result set. I'll use the churn field in order to forecast predicted churn for the next few years. Finally, let's add a time series modeling algorithm and predict churn values over time. This is important because it will help us understand and gauge the result and impact of churn across the business. By adding a time plot and selecting the newly generated predictive churn field, we can see the results of the forecast graphically over time. The results are certainly disconcerting. It appears as though churn numbers are going to continue to rise over the upcoming years. With the forecast complete, I want to share this analysis with the business leaders and allow them to consume the information through the Cognos BI portal. There are a number of methods of exporting the data, including publishing the results as a package, which can be consumed by report authors in Report Studio. I just need to again provide the required parameters, including the BI portal, and the data source connection information so that Modeler can publish the package and the data to the appropriate destination. So to summarize what I've done in Modeler, I've imported my historical data from my Cognos BI portal, created a predictive forecast based on that data, then published the results directly back into the portal. Business intelligence from IBM transforms the data into meaningful and useful insights. Interactive reports, dashboards, and scorecards provide historical, current, and predictive views of your business and create data-driven outcomes to help make confident decisions and improve operational efficiencies. By validating intuition, businesses are able to understand what is likely to happen next. IBM delivers forward-looking analytics which reduces the risk of bad decisions, helps reach business goals faster, and contributes to the overall success of the organization.